Commodity supercycles are near decades-long periods of time where commodities trade well above their long-term price trend. Genuine supercycles do not come around often. Going back 1 century, only 3 or 4 true supercycles have been identified, and each was tied to very transformational periods of economic development. A 1 or 2 year rally in commodity prices is not a supercycle, rather a rebound from an important event, such as what we saw after the Great Recession of 2008 to 2009. 2 commodity supercycles have occurred since the end of World War II. The first started in the mid-1960s and lasted through the 1970s. This supercycle was likely driven by a collapsing US dollar, high inflation, and 2 oil price shocks. Raw materials are almost always priced in US dollars, so a weakening dollar forces producers to adjust prices upward to offset higher production costs in local currency. The last supercycle lasted from the mid-1990s until the financial crisis in 2008 and could be summarized in a word: BRIC. During this time, Brazil, Russia, India, and China, or BRIC, comprised about 40% of the world population and were on a path of rapid industrialization, which required an unprecedented amount of raw materials, food, and energy commodities. Supercycles are best defined in hindsight, so it will be years from now before we truly know whether we are witnessing the start of a new commodity supercycle.